Hello and welcome viewers. In today's video we will see the official specifications of Realme's smartphone Realme V5. So at the beginning I want to say please subscribe my channel to know the updated specifications of new mobile phones. So let's see what is in the official specifications of the phone. The phone has network mode GSM, CDMA, HSPA, eVideo, LTE, 5G, and the phone has memory space of 128GB with 6GB of RAM এবং another version থাকছে 128GB with 8GB of RAM. The phone is coming in 3 colors and the 3 colors are blue, silver, mint, and USB has micro USB type C 2.0. Display has IPS LCD capacitive touch screen, 16 million colors. Display size is 6.5 inches and 83.9% screen to body ratio. The body dimension of the phone is 6.38 into 2.95 into 0.36 inches and weight 194 gram. The phone has Android 10 operating system and chipset MediaTek Dimensity 7205G, and the CPU is getting Octa-core 2 into 2.0 GHz Cortex A76 and 6 into 2.0 GHz Cortex A55. You can get the sensor in the phone are fingerprint, side mounted, accelerometer, gyro, proximity compass, and battery is lithium polymer 5000 mAh, non-removable with capacity of fast charging 30 watt. As and always, the phone has dual SIM, dual standby facility, but the SIM must be nano. There is a loudspeaker for sound and 3.5mm jack for audio output. You get the main camera quad 48 megapixel plus 1.8 2.5mm wide and 8 megapixel plus 2.3 16mm ultra wide, and another one 2 megapixel plus 2.4 macro, and another one 2 megapixel plus 2.4 depth. Video time facility at a maximum of 4K 30 frame rate per second, and get a selfie camera dual 16 megapixel plus 2.4 26mm wide. So friends, this was the official specifications of today's Realme V5 5G model. Those who like to use high-range smartphone and want to buy a good phone from Realme can take it without any hesitation. In next video, I will definitely come up with the unboxing of the set. Then stay safe, stay healthy, stay well. Goodbye.